Measuring speed. We see cars, aeroplanes, trains, etc. in motion. It is a common experience that the motion of some objects is slow while that of some others is fast. We know that some vehicles move faster than others. Even the same vehicle may move faster or slower at different times. If vehicles are moving on a road in the same direction, we can easily say which one of them is moving faster than other. You are probably familiar with the word speed. Higher speed seems to indicate that a given distance has been covered in a shorter time, or a larger distance covered in a given time. If we know the distance covered by 2 buses in 1 hour, we can tell which one is slower. We call the distance covered by an object in a unit time as the speed of the object. When we say that a car is moving with a speed of 50 km per hour, it implies that it will cover a distance of 50 km in 1 hour. However, a car seldom moves with a constant speed for 1 hour. In fact, it starts moving slowly and then picks up speed. So when we say that the car has a speed of 50 km per hour, we usually consider only the total distance covered by it in 1 hour. We do not bother whether the car has been moving with a constant speed or not during that 1 hour. The speed calculated here is actually the average speed of the car. The speed is the total distance covered divided by the total time taken. In everyday life, we seldom find objects moving with a constant speed over long distances or for long durations of time. If the speed of an object moving along a straight line keeps changing, its motion is said to be non-uniform. On the other hand, an object moving along a straight line with a constant speed is said to be in uniform motion. In this case, the average speed is the same as the actual speed. If you did not have a clock, how would you decide what time of the day it is? Have you ever wondered how our leaders could tell the approximate time of the day by just looking at shadows? Our ancestors noticed that many events in nature repeat themselves after definite intervals of time. For example, they found that the sun rises every day in the morning. The time between one sunrise and the next was called a day. Similarly, a month was measured from one new moon to the next. A year was fixed as the time taken by the earth to complete one revolution of the sun. One of the most well-known periodic motions is that of a simple pendulum. The time taken by the pendulum to complete one oscillation is called its time period.